So when you want to wash it with lime, as you can see, lime.
Hi guys, you're welcome to today's video. So guys, in today's video I want to be using firewood. You guys is wondering that this Alice, what do you want to use firewood for? You guys know that we have fish, which is catfish, so we'll be using firewood to smoke it. We want to smoke the fish like a jaggy game. You guys, you know what I'm saying? Got it? So I want to start the fire. You don't tell me I do this way. So I'm cutting this thing. This will make the fire to catch fast. So guys, the children are learning how to start. What? I will not say they are learning how to start firewood, but yeah, guys, see
egg.
Look at this egg. So guys, look at the fire. Yeah, this is not burn me. Oh.
So when you want to wash it with lime, as you can see, lime. Guys, they're bringing it up.
So guys, look at the fish. My husband is watching it. Tony is watching it with lime and salt. You guys know that this thing needs to draw well.
Don't do.
So that's how we go. Here, Tony have already fought this one, so I'll be putting it on the fire. See Tony, Baba Elijah. Baba Elijah. Baba Elijah. Baba Elijah. Baba Elijah. Elijah. Baba Elijah. Yeah, you know, you don't see me finish it. So guys, look at the fish. I've already put on the firewood, whatever. So now to blow the fire now is not the work. Look at smoke. Smoke is coming out. And there's no plastic. You see, they have catch fire. They're like, thank God I did not leave this fire. That the other cannot do it. See all the big stick there. So guys, give me a stone. Give me stone. Yes, now they want the fire. Thank you, my darling. Mom, please take it. It's okay. This guy is walking there.
It's okay, thank you. It's okay, don't carry again. No.
You can walk. Okay. I don't want. What is baby say? No, it's shaking it.
Yeah, man, go on the height of the fire.
Yes.
Leave am, you no go burn no. So first of all, dry the stuff. We have put those stones where you want.
Yeah, that looks good. But go and help her now. ẹ di wa ọmọ yẹn mú kó má lọ ṣubú. Hey, nothing cool. Hey, give me.
They are burning leaves. They are burning.
It's okay, no put too much again now.
Why like one stick?
Where did they go? So guys, look at this one. Putting back.
So guys, second tip. Take it through here. Put it to the mouth. Push the tail down. Then
Yes.
you guys, you see that? And there it is. You see that? So that's how I do. That's how I made the remaining.
Don't put the some of easier láti yọ. No, put that one. Now that one gonna be cocoa. Guys, can you see? So we're gonna use it to cook egusi soup.
Yeah, so guys, as you can see, finally this is the outcome of the fish. Yeah, we dried it as much as we could, so this is going to be used for an amazing and awesome egusi soup. As you see, it's already in a plate and some ingredients around. Thank you so much for watching.
It's WEC.